Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the hood. Slide in front of you. There you go underneath. Pull this release right here. That'll pop the hood. Secondary safety release is right here. Just reach in with your hand, squeeze it up, and then lift the hood up. It's on struts. There's no prop rod. Washer fluid is located here. Open the cap. Fill it up as needed. Brake fluid reservoir is located up here on the firewall. You remove the cap and add to it as needed. You can see just through the grate here, you can check the level. There's a minimum and maximum line. You can also check the color of it to make sure it's nice and clean and clear. And this stuff looks pretty good and topped off. This is the coolant reservoir where you'd fill the coolant. You do this when the vehicle is cold. It's been running, so it's a little bit warm. I don't want to remove this cap because it's under pressure. It is at the minimum level. I'm going to let the vehicle cool down, and then I'll add some coolant and bring it up to the maximum level. I've let the engine cool, so now I'm going to top off this coolant. Open the bottle. Unscrews. Put our funnel in. Got the appropriate coolant for it. Fill it to the max level. Perfect. Move our funnel. Reinstall the cap. And this side of the engine compartment is the air filter box. There's no power steering fluid to check because this vehicle uses electric power steering. There is no dipstick for the automatic transmission. That does need to be checked with a vehicle-specific scan tool at your local dealership. Our 2015 SQ5 does not have an oil dipstick to check the oil. We've got the vehicle parked on level ground. The engine was just at operating temperature. We've parked it, let it sit for a few minutes. I'm going to press and turn the ignition on just once. I'm not going to start the vehicle. To check the oil level, we need to use the MMI screen. So we're going to navigate using the joystick to the car. Then we're going to go into the menu here. It says oil level. And actually the oil level is at minimum. So this vehicle needs to have oil added. When it's at minimum, it takes about a quart to bring it to maximum. So we'd add the correct amount of oil and then come back in the car and recheck it to see if it's full. If you need to add oil, this is your oil fill cap. Just unscrew it. Add the correct amount. Be careful not to overfill it. Reinstall the cap.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.